Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to delete empty rows in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to delete or remove all empty rows or blank rows in Excel, so what you have to do, I will show you two methods by which you can easily remove. Okay, these are the empty rows in green. Okay, you will see green rows are empty rows. Okay, so now how to delete these rows? So how to do it? First you have to select all the content you have in the sheet. Okay, and we will see this is the first method. Okay, now just click on go to find and select option, just click on it and go to special, and now just select blanks and click on OK. So you will see that these are the blank rows, this one, this one, this one. Okay, these ones are the blank rows, but I only want to delete this green one all. Okay, so this method will not work in this sheet. Okay, so what you have to do, now we will apply second method to delete all only these green rows. Okay, so what you have to do, just select all the content here, then here you will see sort and filter. Now just click on filter. Okay, now here you will see this is first option. Now click on it and deselect all, just click on blanks. Okay, now apply. Okay, now here you will see all these only green. Okay, green rows. Okay, now just select all and click on delete sheet rows. Okay, now again go to filter and select all, apply. Here you will see all the green rows or empty rows has been removed. So like this you can remove empty rows in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.